Now, talking about programming, we want to know what programming is. And that's why we have taken our time to break programming down for you to understand. What is programming? I know that is the major question you will be asking yourself. Well, I want to dive into this programming world and I don't know what a programming is actually all about. So, when we talk of programming, first of all, programming is a set of instructions. A set of instructions you provide to the computer to action. So, writing something or preparing something for a computer to do, that is programming. Now, there are more to this. A set of instructions you give to a computer to do, and that is called computer program. So, you have a software like VLC Media Player, and you want to play a music, you want to play a video. In this case, you probably have to drag and drop your video into the media player. And what you are technically doing is you are telling the computer to play that video. Or you have a video and you want to play the video. So you double click on the video and the video automatically opens up and it starts playing. Basically, you are telling the computer to play the video for you, and the computer is following your instructions. Now, the instructions are performed in a sequence of steps. You can't just really wake up and say, I want to play a video on my computer, so the video should be played. First of all, you have to make sure your computer has the video you want to play already on it. Second of all, you have to make sure you have a compatible video player which will be playing your video. Thirdly, you have to make sure you know how to drag and drop the video, or you have to drag and drop the video into the player so that the player can play the video along. This is termed the instructions you are giving to the computer in a form of sequence of steps. Now, the instructions are known as statements. Now, when we talk of statements, copying the video onto the computer is a statement, is a way of preparing a video, right? Downloading the video player like VLC from the internet is a way of preparing yourself to get the software or the video player onto your computer. And that is a statement. The way you are dragging the video into the player, playing the video in the software, is a statement because you have to do something before something is going to happen. And that is termed as statement. Now, the sequence of steps are known as algorithms. And in this case, you probably understand that before you can get a video on your computer, the video has to go through a whole lot of algorithms. The video has to be prepared, the video has to be shot and to be copied on the computer. And even you getting the video player, there are some certain developers who has already built the video player and kept it on their website, and you have to go there, download the video player, sorry. And you dragging the video onto the player for the player to play is a way of algorithm stuff, because dragging and dropping has its own way of working for the video to be played. The instructions are written in programming languages. Yes, of course, even compiling frames into video so that you can keep the video onto your computer is a way of programming languages. There is a programming language which compiles that video. Now, the VLC you downloaded from the internet has been prepared by programmers, and they'll use the certain language to program that software, right? So whatever instruction you give to the computer has already been prepared using a programming language or using a certain language. The instructions are written inside a plain text editor with a programming language. Just as I said, before the programming language can be compiled or can be used to develop these systems, they are being used by something called the editor, or a plain editor, a plain text editor. And plain text editor expects a programming language to be written on that section. The content of the instructions in the text editor is known as the source code. Later on, you will understand what a source code is. Source code is basically the programming language you have used to write a software. That programming language you have compiled or you have prepared for the software is called the source code. I believe you understand. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask, and I will be very happy to explain everything to you. This is what I have for you in terms of what programming is. Let's meet on our next video. Thank you and have a nice day.